Good morning, students. Welcome to our online class from Blue Stars Higher Secondary School for class 5th and subject English. Students, I hope you have finished your classwork for the poem Teamwork. So, today we are going to read the question answers and 1 marks from classwork in the poem Teamwork. So, let's start. Students, listen carefully because in next class you are going to write the test. Okay, so you have to listen carefully in these question answers and 1 marks. Let's start. So this poem is from unit 2. The title of the poem is Teamwork. We have the first part. What is that? Mind map. In this mind map is about teamwork. So first you just listen and repeat after me. Combined effort of a group increase the social skill. It motivates everyone. Time management. So here combined effort of a group, which denotes teamwork only. What about teamwork? Teamwork, it is when many people work together to reach a goal. They have some goal. They are working together to reach the goal in specific time. So that is about the teamwork. It helps others to understand, and we may say it is also combined action of a group. Okay, for what? Why they are working in group? To reach the goal. That is about the teamwork. They can share their work with others, so they can easily achieve their goal when they are doing work together. So that is about a combined effort of a group teamwork. Okay, next one, what about this one? Increase the social skill. Social skill, it is very important skill. It is very must to lead our life. So what about that one? Social skills. It is one of the skills we use every day to interact and communicate with others. So we can communicate through verbal or non-verbal. Students, verbal means you are interacting or discussing with others by words. வார்த்தையால் பேசுவீங்க இல்லையா, அதை தான் நம்ம வேர்பல் வேன்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகே, நான் வேர்பல் மீன்ஸ் யூ ஆர் கான்வர்சிங் ஆர் டாக்கிங் வித் அதர்ஸ், கம்யூனிகேட்டிங் வித் அதர்ஸ் by gestures or facial expression, etc. So that is about a non-verbal. Without using words, you may conversing with others, you may discussing your ideas with others, sharing your ideas with others without using any words. That is about non-verbal. So that's one. Next one, it motivates everyone. So in this teamwork stimulates each and everyone in this team to do their work in best. So that is about teamwork motivates each and everyone in group members. Next one, time management. We may consider it is also one of the skills because it is ability to use one's time effectively or productively in any work. If we can use the time effectively, we may achieve our goal in certain time. Okay, so that is a very important skill, time management. So this is about a mind map. I hope you have understood about this one. Students, in this poem we have two topics, two subtopics. First one, importance of teamwork. Next one, benefits of teamwork. First subtopic, let's see importance of teamwork. So we have a mind map related to this subtopic. So first one, what they are given, it improves the communication skill. Students, it is also one of the important skill. Okay, we use the skill when giving or receiving different kinds of the information. If you want to share our ideas or thoughts to others, which one is very important? Which one is very important? Communication skill. Okay, so that is about so in this teamwork improves the communication skill. So that is very important thing. Next one, you know very well. What about this one? Each and everyone working together towards for what? A common goal, to achieve a common goal. So that is work together towards a common goal. Next one, focus different minds on same problem. Each and every members in a team, they are focusing on one problem. Okay, one, so they can easily solve that problem and achieve their goal. So that is one of the importance of teamwork. Okay, let's see the next page. We have D words. What about this one? First one, important, that is essential. Okay, significant. Next, through, together, loop. You know very well what about a loop? A shape produced by curve that bends round or crossing itself. So that is the meaning for loop. Okay, bends round. It is. Next, fun, amazement or entertaining to others. So that is about fun. Rhyming words. Students, what about rhyming words? It refers repetitions of the same sound. So that is the meaning for rhyming words. Example, done, everyone, on, baton, whole, goal, plus us. So the sound is repeated. Okay, so we may consider that is those are all the words rhyming pairs. Next, fill in the blanks. First one, a relay race can't go on without passing a baton. Students, if you don't pass a baton, that is a stick, okay, you can't go on in the relay race. So that is your given. Next, sometimes teamwork can be a big plus. Okay, which one is the big plus? Teamwork. Because you know very well what are the benefits of the teamwork. Okay, you are completing that specific work soon. Okay, next one, if you are working together, you can easily achieve your goal. So this is one of the big plus. Okay, so that's why we consider that teamwork can be a big plus. Okay, next one, answer the following questions. What can we share with teamwork? So students, after we completing our goal, okay, if we success, okay, we should share with our team members. What we should share? That is a joyness. ஓகே, ஹாப்பியாக இருப்போம் இல்லையா? நம்ம இப்போ ஏதாவது ஒரு கேம்லேயோ ஏதாவது ஒரு நம்மளுடைய ஏதாவது நம்ம இது பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கும்பொழுது அது சக்ஸஸ் அடைஞ்சிட்டா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? வி ஃபெல்ட் ஹாப்பினஸ். நம்ம ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக வி ஃபெல்ட் ஹாப்பி, ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருப்போம் இல்லையா? அதை யாரு கூட நம்ம ஷேர் பண்ணணும்னு நம்ம விரும்புவோம்? நம்மளுடைய டீம் மெம்பர்ஸ். ஆர் யூ மே ஷேர் யுவர் ஹாப்பினஸ் வித் யுவர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். Okay, so for example, if you got a first rank, okay, first you should first you have to share your you would share your happy to your parents, friends. So such as here they are given. What is that? What can we share with a teamwork? Okay, எதை நம்ம வந்து teamwork கூட ஷேர் பண்ணிப்போம் team. Okay, so that is, so here subtopics, share with teamwork. We can share joy with teamwork, joyness, happy. Next, what can teamwork do? Teamwork can make our dream work comes true. Okay, in this teamwork, what does it make? it makes our dream work. We have some dream, no, on a goal, so that dream work comes true. Okay, by its teamwork. So that is about the second question. So what can teamwork do? Teamwork can make our dream work comes true. So that is next. Answer in detail. What did the poet vividly stress the importance of teamwork? So here, how did the poet vividly describe about importance of teamwork? First one, teamwork is very important. We can bring our dreams comes true by working together. You know very well, by working together, your dream work comes true. So that is they are given. That's why we consider the teamwork is very important. Next one, it is fun to put the ball through the ring. Okay, which one is fun to put the ball? Yeah, put the ball through the ring. If there is no one pass it on, we can't shoot it. Am I right? If there is no one pass it on, we can't shoot it. Okay, if you don't pass the basketball, you can't shoot it in particular time. So similarly, relay race can't go on if nobody passes that baton. Okay, next one, working together. When we work together, we become strong. So, and it's easy to achieve the common goal. Students, so here, if we are working together, we have the strength. Okay, so that is they are given. Unity is strength. Unity is strength. If you are working together, you get the strength. Okay, great strength to achieve a goal. So that is they are given. Unity is strength. Okay, next one is benefits of working together. That is the second subtopic. Here, what are the benefits to working together? Complete the task faster. Yes. Difficult task into simpler one. Okay, why? Because you are saying like that. If you share your work with others, you may assume the difficult task into simpler one. Okay, so that is they are given. It shows individual talent. So it is teamwork gives one of the most opportunities. Okay, to show individual talents. So that is next one. D words: achieve, common, ordinary, which means ordinary, achieve a goal. You know very well. Next, becomes, baton, fill in the blanks. Baton means stick. It is fun to shoot the dash through hoop, basketball. Antonyms: joy, despair, pass, fail. Important, unimportant. Nobody, everybody. Baton means stick. Okay, so here write the past form of the verbs. Here they are given some verbs. You have to write past form, V2. Okay, some action which is already happened, that is known as a past tense. So you can easily change into the past tense. What about can? What about the past form of can? Could. Pass, passed. Regular or irregular? It is a regular verb, because if you are adding ed to the base form of the verbs, you may consider that is a regular verb. Okay, if you are adding ed to the base form of the verb to get the, what is that, past form. Next, make, made, become, became. These two words we may consider as a, what about that, irregular verbs. Okay, Next to last part is answer the following questions. First question, what is that? What is mean by teamwork? Teamwork, the process of working collaboratively with a group of people in order to achieve a goal. So the process of working collaboratively, working together, that is the meaning for collaboratively with a group members. So why we are working together with our grouping, with our team members to achieve the goal. Okay, so that is the argument. Next one, what does a team have its eyes on? So each and every members in a group, they have one common goal. Okay, so that is what is that? The team has its eyes on a common goal. So that is about the second question. Students, I hope it is very useful to you to continue your learning. In your next class, you are going to write the test. So prepare well for your test. Thank you.